Needing credit for a purchase or a personal project often comes with a clock ticking. You don't have time to wait weeks for an answer. That's where Younited's technology is changing the game. So, how fast can you get credit? Younited has made the application process truly instant. Thanks to cutting-edge technology and open banking partnerships, the process of submitting a credit application, especially for purchases at a partner merchant, Younited Pay, can take as little as 5 minutes. For personal loans, you can generally get a loan offer in just a few minutes after submitting your initial application. Here's the breakdown. First, the decision is fast. For most applications, Younited's system is designed to give you an instant decision, often an immediate and final response. This instant credit decision process is powered by AI and up-to-date financial data from your bank account, which is securely accessed through open banking, eliminating the need to upload stacks of documents. Second, for full approval of a personal loan, where a final verification is required, it can sometimes take up to 24 hours. Finally, the funding time. Once your personal loan is fully approved and you have signed the contract electronically, the funds are typically transferred to your bank account within 7 to 14 days. This disbursement time is standard for a personal loan and allows for the mandatory legal withdrawal period. For Younited Pay financing for an in-store or e-commerce purchase, the response is immediate and the credit officially begins once the product is delivered. Younited is all about instant, simple, and transparent credit, built for the pace of the e-economy. Less waiting, more doing. That's the Younited speed. Asterisk alone is a commitment and must be repaid. Check your repayment capacity before you commit, asterisk.